Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get inactive Twitter username or taken username on Twitter. Now there are different ways how you can actually go and get inactive Twitter username. There are difficult ways, there are more easier ways, right? But I will show you a couple of them. So the first one is to actually claim a username. As you can see, many people don't realize that just because the desired Twitter handle is already taken by a competitor trying to make things difficult, or even an ex-employee with whom you no longer have contact, it doesn't necessarily mean you can't claim it back. Now, there's Twitter inactive user policy that allows people to reclaim inactive accounts after 6 months of no tweeting or no activity, or if you own domain name.com. So if you own that, you can go and you can basically go to support.twitter.com form/impersonation right here, as you can see, and you can basically fill out that form as you can see right here. Now, obviously, you can screenshot this if you want to follow this particular way of getting inactive Twitter username. Now, there are also different ways or steps how you can, do this. You can contact the Twitter owner of the inactive account. You can offer them cash or money in exchange for the username. You can file a trademark dispute on Twitter if you're a company and if you already have a domain or anything like that, right? Or what you can also do is you can report an impersonation if you're an individual. This is what I showed you right here. You can also obviously detect inactive Twitter followers, stuff like that, but that's pretty much not for this video. So yeah, these are a couple of things that you can do. I would recommend you try all three. Obviously, some will work, some will not work. I would say the best bet is probably just contacting the owner through their email, through their Twitter account, and then trying to get that username, via communication with them. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys find this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.